Welcome back, students. So before starting this video, let me have a question to you all. Which substance provides green color to the leaves? It is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment because of which the leaves appear green in color. Non-green plants. The name itself says these plants are not green in color. When these plants are not green in color, that means these plants do not have chlorophyll in them. Chlorophyll pigment is not present in these plants, that's why they are non-green in color. Now when chlorophyll is absent, who is going to absorb the sunlight for these plants to carry out the process of photosynthesis? जब क्लोरोफिल एब्सेंट है तो ये सनलाइट कैसे एब्सॉर्ब करेंगे? वी नो क्लोरोफिल एब्सॉर्ब्स सनलाइट फॉर द प्लांट्स टू कैरी आउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, बट यहाँ पे इन पौधों में क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता, इसलिए ये सनलाइट एब्सॉर्ब नहीं कर पाते. एंड व्हेन सनलाइट इज नॉट रीचिंग देम और दे आर नॉट एबल टू एब्सॉर्ब द सनलाइट, मतलब इनमें फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होता. नो फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक्स प्लेस इन सच प्लांट्स because it does not have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment which absorbs sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. पर क्योंकि इनके पास chlorophyll नहीं होता तो sunlight absorb नहीं होती, sunlight absorb नहीं होती तो photosynthesis नहीं होता. That means they cannot prepare their own food. So that's why they have developed or adapted in such a way that they absorb food from dead plants, insects and animals. ये food कहाँ से absorb करते हैं? Dead plants, animals से. जो मरे हुए plant या animals हैं, उनसे ये अपना खाना absorb करते हैं. Example, coral root and Indian pipe are such non-green plants which absorb food from dead plants and animals. Examples are coral root and Indian pipe. So this was all about non-green plants. Now parasitic plants. Parasitic plants जैसे कि mosquito. Mosquito क्या है? मच्छर क्या है? एक parasite है. अब mosquito क्या करता है? It comes, sits on our body, it bites us and it sucks blood. It sucks blood मतलब वो हमसे ही nutrition ले रहा है, वो हमसे ही हम पे ही feed कर रहा है, right? So parasite. Same is with the parasitic plants. These plants depend on other plants for their nutrition. जैसे mosquito हमारे और animals की body पे depend करता है अपने nutrition के लिए, हमारे blood को वो suck करता है, getting its nutrition from us. Likewise, parasitic plants they also depend on other plants for their nutrition. ये दूसरे प्लांट्स पे ग्रो करते हैं, दूसरे पौधों पे ग्रो करते हैं और उन पौधों का न्यूट्रिशन सक करते हैं. दैट मीन्स दे हार्म दोज प्लांट्स. कहीं ना कहीं वो उन प्लांट्स को हार्म कर रहे हैं, नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो उन प्लांट्स के ऊपर ग्रो करते हैं और उनका न्यूट्रिशन भी ले लेते हैं. दैट मीन्स दे आर हार्मिंग द प्लांट्स. एग्जाम्पल है कस्कुटा, जिसको हम अमर बेल कहते हैं हिंदी में. कस्कुटा एंड मिसलटो. So cuscuta and mistletoe are the examples of parasitic plants which grow on other plants and absorb their nutrition or take nutrition from that plants on which they grow, and in this way they harm those plants. So this ends our chapter 2 explanation. After this video I am going to share you two PDFs. One would be the notes, that is keywords, question answers and HOTS, which you have to write in your GSC fair copy. So remember, first you will write today's date, right? Then chapter name, chapter number, and first you will write the keywords in your fair copy, followed by question answers and then HOTS. Second PDF would be the book exercise, which would comprise of choose the correct answer, match up, fill ups, name the following, true, false. So that you have to do in your GSC textbook with pencil, and also write the date in your textbook also. Understood? So this ends with our chapter 2. Meet you in the next class with the new chapter, that is chapter 3. Stay home, stay healthy and stay happy.